Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. We're excited to have you with us again. Let's dive into today's health tips and continue our journey towards a healthier lifestyle together. Baking soda hacks: 15 surprising uses. Did you know that one simple kitchen item, baking soda, can improve your health, clean your home, and even freshen your breath? We're talking about a regular old box of sodium bicarbonate, the stuff your grandma probably used for everything. And you know what? Grandma was onto something. This ain't your mama's baking soda episode, though. Today I'll show you how to use it in ways that might surprise you. Coffee breath got you down. Baking soda neutralizes those lingering odors and gently whitens, giving coffee lovers something to smile about. Baking soda's a natural bacteria blaster. That means fresher breath and a 1-2 punch to plaque, all without harsh chemicals. Got a sore throat? Mix a teaspoon of baking soda in warm water and gargle. It's like a mini spa day for your tonsils. The heartburn helper. Heartburn getting you down? A little baking soda and water can neutralize that excess stomach acid, providing sweet relief. The bath time buddy. Add a cup of baking soda to your bath to soothe skin irritations, rashes, even sore muscles. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. The odor eater. Fridge smelling a little funky? Leave an open box of baking soda inside to absorb those unwanted odors. Same trick works in stinky shoes. Baking soda's a cleaning powerhouse. Scour countertops, de-gunk pans, even freshen up upholstery. It's tough on grime, easy on the planet. Ditch the aluminum and make your own deodorant. Baking soda neutralizes odor-causing bacteria, keeping you fresh all day long. Hard water got your bathroom looking rough? Baking soda softens the water, removes mineral buildup, and leaves things sparkling clean. The foot fixer. Soak your feet in a baking soda bath to neutralize odor and soften calluses. Your feet will thank you. The workout recovery agent. Sore muscles after a workout? Baking soda helps to neutralize lactic acid buildup, reducing pain and speeding up recovery. The performance enhancer. Some athletes use baking soda to buffer lactic acid during intense workouts, potentially boosting endurance. Talk to your doctor before trying this one. The kidney supporter. Early research suggests baking soda may support kidney health and help prevent kidney stones. More research is needed, but it's promising. The pH balancer. Baking soda helps to balance pH levels in the body, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. Looking for a safe, natural way to detox? Baking soda can help to neutralize toxins and gently cleanse your system. Give your fruits and veggies a baking soda bath. Soak them in a baking soda and water solution for 15 minutes to remove dirt and grime. Baking soda helps to remove pesticide residue from your produce, making it safer and healthier to eat. Who knew that little box of baking soda was so versatile? It's cheap, natural, and incredibly powerful. Try these tips and see the difference. Like, share, and comment below with your favorite way to use baking soda.